Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Erase all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll fly.
So again, a reason to come this time of the year is there's no one here. I've got my drone on my back. I was thinking of putting my drone up. I don't think there's absolutely any point. Might as well just throw my GoPro.
What are you trying? I don't believe I've been you up all this way and you're trying to get lower.
Trying to get a good picture.
You can get a good picture, but bending down 30 centimetres isn't possibly going to change much perspective from up here.
I'm going to get the drone out. Let's do it. This was a great little trip out from the campsite. It was only about 5 miles up the road from where we're staying, and then it was about a 5 mile climb up them tracks down there. Load of switchback roads, wasn't it? So well worth it. You stay at that campsite in Flam, or if you come to the area of Flam, be sure to come and check this out. Well, good morning, and we're off again.
We are indeed. Where are we off to?
I don't know, somewhere. But we're off the Flam campsite and heading off into the wild. So we're at the halfway marker in the tunnel. I don't think you can see anything yet. So let's have a quick look outside.
There you go. 13 kilometres that way. And 13 kilometres that way.
And another ferry. So today we're heading toward Nigardsbreen Glacier, I think it's called. When I spoke to the Norwegian campsite owner yesterday, she went, Nigardsbreen. I went, yep, that's the one. As quick as that. So that's where we're heading now. So hopefully there won't be many people there, and also that we're able to get up close to the glacier. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
Really cool. We are at Nigardsbreen and we're about to go and see a glacier.
And I'm dressed up like Marshmallow Man. It could be extremely cold up here when you stop and do a bit of photography. So there's a lot of snow on the glacier, but we're hoping we can get close to it. If we can't get that close, then I'll fly the drone to it, hopefully, if Claire makes it without slipping. So normally you'd be able to drive up a little bit closer, I suspect. So there's the first view of the glacier straight ahead, coming down through the middle of the gorge there and the mountains either side. It's covered in snow, so you might not be able to pick it out, but from here we can already see the blue. Tell you what, it shows a lovely day for it again. And there the end of it is. Wow, look how blue that is.
Wow.
Hope you can see that, guys, through this lens. So if you decide to come out of season, you'll get a lot of these tourist hotspots to yourself, which is good. So you can see the glacier off in the distance over there. We're just stopping for a quick break. Hopefully the sun, which is just up there at the moment, doesn't fall behind this mountain here, because as soon as it does, it will knock off all that light. So yeah, so quick break, quick picture, and then off again.
This is hard work.
So coming from the car park just over there, this little stretch we've done here, which is probably half a mile, has been by far the hardest.
Can't see what's underneath your feet.
No. Yeah, so on the rock just down there is the letter T, which denotes the footpath to take. You just can't, you don't know what's underneath here. And we know that's a massive flake there, so I don't want a booty. So having many layers of lightweight clothing is a must when hiking in places like this. So have a lot of stuff that you can whip off, pack away, don't take up much room, but keeps you incredibly warm should you need it. Looking around and you can see all the smoothness of the rocks where the glaciers retreated and dumped some of the tops of these big boulders and smoothed out the rest. Amazing. Last ice age. Well, probably about the same time Claire last made a cup of tea, to be fair. So this is about as far as we're gonna get. We don't know what's down that bit there, and we know there's a bigger ravine there, so
to be safe and sorry, but it's plenty close enough. Might look like it on this camera, but it's really good. So I'll get the drone up in a minute if the batteries will last in this cold, and see what we can see.
Well, the light's going now, so let's head back down the valley and back in the van. These places can get a little bit dangerous, we've been told. It's still a lot of boulders that are free and moving up there, and same with the snow from the top, a few little avalanches. So let's head away back out of the valley and we'll see you in a bit. Brilliant.
Norwegian snow angel.
Norwegian snow angel. Notice this, it got a bit of
arse.
I wasn't going to say that. Now you come to mention it. Just parked up after our mammoth walk up the glacier, which was brilliant. Yeah, 6 mile hike. But geez, after the mile on the road that had all the snow on it, and then followed by all them rocks, that was hard work, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, what an epic day. So we parked in a parking spot beside the bottom of a lake. We've just had a lovely minced beef, vegetables and mashed potato dinner. We're going to get an early night and get on the road. So we're heading further up north and a little bit to the west, eventually meeting up with the west coast. So there you go, enough for today, and we'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Lunges. That was a good night's sleep, and a well-deserved sleep. So that's where we parked last night, just in this gravel car park area. Mountains around, and with a lake in the background there, and this little hut. Let me show you this little hut. This is how respectful Norwegians are to each other. This was made by the locals, for the locals, or anyone passing by. There's a little fishing retreat. So you can go and fish down the lake there. And grab some shelter in here. If you're ever in this area, there's a little book and pen in there, so I've signed that from us UK travellers. So let's get ourselves back on the road again. Off to the next part of the adventure as we head west towards the coast.